Welcome back to all. Today I brought a poem before you that is If I Knew. Dear students, now I play the music of this poem. You repeat after the music with proper stress, intonation, and pronunciation.
Smile, smile, and smile some more. It makes you look so nice. If I knew a box where the smiles are kept, no matter how large the key or strong the bolt, I would try so hard it would open, I know, for me. Then over the land and sea broadcast, I'd scatter the smiles to play, that the children's faces might hold them fast for many and many a day. If I knew a box that was large enough to hold all the frowns I meet, I would gather them, everyone from nursery, school, and street. Then folding and holding, I'd pack them in and turn the monster key and hire a giant to drop the box to the depths of the deep, deep sea. To the depths of the deep, deep sea. To the depths of the deep, deep sea.
Have you enjoyed the music? Okay, fine. Now, let me explain the poem If I Knew. In this poem, the poet thinks that he could do many things if he knew where the smiles were kept. Let's read and find out what he wishes to do. Okay. If I knew a box where the smiles were kept, no matter how large the key, how strong the bolt, I would try so hard. It would open, I know, for me. Then over the land and the sea broadcast, I would scatter the smiles to play, that the children's faces might hold them fast for many and many a day. Dear children, in this first stanza, the poet talks about giving happiness. The poet says that if he was able to find a box where all the smiles were kept, he would try his best to open that box, no matter how strong the lock is or how large the key is required to unlock it. After opening the box, he will spread all the smiles in different directions across land, seas, or etc. So, that children smiles everywhere, or the children can keep smiling for many days. So, this is the poet's wishes. So, here, matter. So, what is meant by matter? Matter means a subject or situation that you must consider or deal with. Or you say no matter. After you have just asked a question or mentioned an idea or doubt, and you have decided that it is not really or important or interesting or worthy discussing. So we say matter or no matter. And the second one, broadcast. The broadcast means to tell a lot of people about something or transmit some information by TV or newspaper or radio. So we say broadcast. Let me switch on the next stanza. If I knew a box that was large enough to hold all the frowns I meet, I would gather them, everyone, from nursery, school, and street. Then, holding and folding, I would pack them in and turn the monster key and hire a giant to drop the box to the depths of the deep, deep sea. So, This poem was composed by Maud Wayman. So in the second stanza, let me go to the next stanza, that is second stanza. In this stanza, the poet talks about removing sadness from the children. Here, the poet wants to collect all the sadness from everywhere and lock it in the same box. Then he would call a giant to throw this box containing sorrows, sadness in the deep ocean. So, here the frowns means angry or serious or worried expressions on a person's face that cause lines on the forehead. And street means a public road in a city or town that has houses and buildings on one side or both sides. And holding means carrying something in your hands or arms. And monster means unusually large, so the monster key, we say monster key, it means large key. And depth means the deepest parts of the something like a sea or ocean. So the poet wants to remove all the sadness or sorrows on the earth, and he wants replace happiness everywhere. So, I hope you have understood this poem. Dear students, recite this poem with proper stress, intonation and pronunciation, and homework will be sent through WhatsApp and post to my personal number. Thank you.